Hey fam! Welcome back to my channel. Or welcome if you're new here. I'm super excited to have you all with me today. Today, we're about to embark on a language learning adventure that's totally lit. We're diving into the beautiful and rich Czech language. Buckle up, Buttercup, because we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of Czech. It's going to be an exciting journey. We're going to be mastering 50 conversational phrases that'll have you sounding like a local in no time. Imagine chatting effortlessly with native speakers. Like, get ready to impress your friends and order smazeny sir like a pro. You'll be the star of any Czech restaurant. Let's get this bread, or should I say, rolik. By the end of this, you'll be navigating Czech culture and cuisine with confidence. All right, let's kick things off with a classic. Ahoj! It's like saying aloha, but with a Czech twist. Ahoj! Děkuji. That's how you say thank you in Czech. Remember to say it with feeling, like you really mean it. Děkuji. Prosím is your magic word for please. It's like adding a sprinkle of politeness to your sentences. Prosím. Ano, that's a big ol' yes in Czech. Say it loud and proud. Ano. Ni is for no, short, simple, and to the point. Net.
Know you've been a good friend.
Time to check in on your Czech buddies. Jak samas means how are you? Jak samas? Rise and shine. Dobre rano is how you say good morning in Czech. Dobre rano. Time to hit the hay. Dobru noc means good night in Czech. Sweet dreams. Dobru noc. Shopping spree time. Kolik to stoji means how much does it cost? Kolik to stoji. Nature calls. Kde je toaleta means where is the bathroom? Let's practice that again. Kde je toaleta? Time to impress. Mluvím trochu česky means I speak a little Czech. Let's say it together. Mluvím trochu česky. In case of emergency, shout pomoc. It means help. Remember, it's pomoc.
Know you've been a good friend.
Time to make new friends. Jmenuji se means my name is so. Jmenuji se. Rad vás poznávám means nice to meet you. Say it with a smile. Rad vás poznávám. Need a helping hand? Můžete mi pomoci means can you help me? So můžete mi pomoci. Lost and confused? Kedije means where is, yes, kedije. Curiosity strikes. Kota J means what is this? Kota J? Tummy rumbling. Mamhlad means I am hungry. Mamhlad. Feeling parched? Mamzezen means I'm thirsty. Mamzezen. Lost in translation. Chemstrasini means I am lost. Chemstrasini. Muzete to zopakovat means can you repeat that? Muzete to zopakovat. Whoa, slow down there, Speedy Gonzalez. Malufte pomalu prosim means speak slowly, please. Malufte pomalu prosim. Rozumim means I understand. You got this, rozumim. Okay, maybe not. Nerozumim means I don't understand. Nerozumim. In case of a medical emergency, Kde je nejbližší nemocnice means where is the nearest hospital. Kde je nejbližší nemocnice? Need to make a call? Mohu si půjčit telefon means can I borrow a phone? Mohu si půjčit telefon? Jak se dostanu na nádraží means how do I get to the train station? Jak se dostanu na nádraží? Katie ojizdi další autobus means when does the next bus leave? Let's say it together. Katie ojizdi další autobus. Mohu dostat úset, prosím, means can I get the bill, please? Repeat after me. Mohu dostat úset, prosím. Mohu si objednat means can I order? Try saying it. Mohu si objednat. Jak je dnesní datum means what is today's date. So if you want to ask someone about the date, you would say jak je dnesní datum. This phrase is useful in daily conversations, especially when planning events or appointments. Remembering it can help you stay organized and punctual. Kolik jehodin means what time is it? If you need to know the time, simply ask Kolik jehodin. Mohu CV minute penize means can I exchange money? So when you need to exchange currency, just say Mohu CV minute penize. Kede je bankomat means where's the ATM? So if you need to find an ATM, just say Kede je bankomat. Mohu dostat mapu means can I get a map? It's really useful when you're exploring a new place. Just ask Mohu dostat mapu. Kede je nejblisi hotel means where's the nearest hotel? If you need to find a place to stay, simply ask Kede je nejblisi hotel. Mohusi rezervovat pokoj means can I book a room? Let's say it together. Mohusi rezervovat pokoj.
Know you've been a good friend.
Jake Javasa telefoni sislo means what is your phone number? Repeat after me. Jake Javasa telefoni sislo. Mohu dostat sklenici vody means can I get a glass of water? One more time. Mohu dostat sklenici vody. Kede je nejblisi restaurace means where is the nearest restaurant? All right, let's say it together. Kede je nejblisi restaurace. Mohu dostat menu means can I get the menu? Now repeat after me. Mohu dostat menu.
Know you've been a good friend.
Jake Javasa Jimeno means what is your name? Once more, let's practice. Jake Javasa Jimeno. Kede je nejblisi lekarna means where is the nearest pharmacy? So kede je nejblisi lekarna. Mohu dostat leki means can I get some medicine? So mohu dostat leki. Kede je nejblisi obchod means where's the nearest shop? So kede je nejblisi obchod. Mohu si kupit jizdenku means can I buy a ticket? Mohu si kupit jizdenku. Kede je nejblisi posta means where is the nearest post office? Kede je nejblisi posta. Mohu poslat dopis means can I send a letter? Mohu poslat dopis. Kede je nejblisi park means where's the nearest park? Kede je nejblisi park. Mohu si puchit kolo means can I rent a bike? Mohu si puchit kolo. And there you have it, my linguistic legends. You've made it through the journey of learning Czech with flying colors. You've officially conquered the top 50 conversational Czech phrases. That's no small feat, and you should be incredibly proud of yourself. Like, you're basically fluent now, right? Well, maybe not quite yet, but you're definitely on your way. But seriously, give yourselves a round of applause for being such awesome language learners. Your dedication and hard work have truly paid off. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep using these phrases every chance you get. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. And soon you'll be chatting it up in Czech like a pro. Imagine the conversations you'll have and the connections you'll make. Thanks for joining me on this epic language adventure. It's been a pleasure guiding you through this learning experience. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more language learning shenanigans. Keep up the great work, and bye.